Alright YouTube, welcome back to another video. So we basically got a new intake now, so I'm gonna make a POV of that later. I'm on my way to get an oil change, so I'm probably gonna name this video like the first oil change ever, pretty much, to my Hellcat Redeye, which I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna ask them to get pictures of it before, so I can know like what was in the oils, just to see. I'm really curious if they're actually gonna let me. I really doubt it, but this new intake though is freaking crazy. Bro, thank you guys for all the support, man. We are now at 2.1k. I still can't believe it. Last week we were barely at 500 subscribers, and I was tripping out about that. I was hyped over like 800 subscribers at one point. I'm like, dude, we're gonna hit 4 digits, and we freaking hit it. So I appreciate all the support you guys been giving me, man. Bless to all of you guys. Like I don't even know why people are supporting me, you know, like obviously it's because of the car and stuff, but man, like people say so many good things, not even about the car anymore, like about me, about how I act, and I appreciate all the kind words you guys give me, man. Morning Puls, bro. Sounds so good. Wow. I'm really excited for this weekend because I'm gonna install my LED steering wheel, so for the nighttime POVs it's gonna be lit, and I got some LEDs for my interior, so I'm gonna be putting them through just because at nighttime, bro, like you need some lighting. Like it's and I don't even think sheesh, bro. Of course it's a red light, but whatever, man. Oh, I need to put on track. There we go. There we go. Also got a radar detector. I usually have it hanging up, but for the POV I'm gonna have it like down here. Bro, you don't understand. This new intake, like you're not gonna hear a huge difference on phone, but I'm gonna tell you right now, dude, in person, it's literally a whole different beast. But back to what I was saying, for my nighttime POVs, I think I'm just gonna do a 1, like not 0.5 on my phone, because when I do 0.5, it makes it kind of blurry, and you know, even for GoPros, it's super dookie. Because like when it's fisheye, it's the lighting's just trash. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put what you call it? I'm gonna just do 0.1 or just 1. I mean, I'm just gonna do 1 because the lighting's really good and you actually can see like the outside and what's going on. So I think that's what I'm gonna do because it looks really, really good. I won't be able to get like a full fisheye, you know, POV. But it's still gonna be a POV, just not like full, like the way this one is. You know, this one, dude, the way I got the camera set up is you should be able to see is like a bunch, like pretty much everything in the car. You know, you should be able to see the manual thing. I'm trying to aim it down as low as possible. It's like literally like, I'm trying to get another mount, but it's literally sitting on my nose right now. Make sure there's no cops. Dude, what? Bro, even in 4th gear, just listen to this, guys. It's freaking 4th gear. 3,000 RPM. Ow, ow. Freaking bounce on my freaking head. Wow, dude. This car sounds amazing now. But yeah, pretty much we're gonna be almost at the dealership. This is my first oil change at 2,000. I wanted to do it earlier, but actually I was trying to do this last weekend, but I came too late. I had to like help my dad out. And stuff, so I didn't have time, which kind of sucks because I really wanted to get it done last week. Like I barely even drove the car this week because I was in San Diego area. Actually, oh fudge, too late. I was in San Diego area and stuff like that, so I didn't even have time to even come home and even drive. Like, I drove the car still every day, but I pretty much came home and just started editing just so I can get things out of the way. Because I got all these plans, like all these ideas I have are just ideas I've always wanted to make for myself, even, you know. So I'm super motivated. Like I love it. It's fun. Like, you don't understand how much like how crazy this intake is, bro. If anyone looks at me, bro, they're gonna be like, bro, this guy's the goofy goober. But whatever, bro. You gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta look goofy, bro. I'm gonna look goofy until I hit 100K. Then they're gonna be like, yo, time to hop on that trend. I bet you, bro. That's how it always is. But like I said, man, thank you guys for all the amazing support, man. I don't know why it's happening so fast. It's only been 2 weeks, pretty much. Like, I uploaded 3 weeks ago, but last week I was barely at 300. What makes me so happy about this intake too is it has a heat shield, so like I'm pretty much chilling, you know. Like it actually covers a lot of heat. Like after I run the car and I go check it out, I check the filter just to check the temperature, and dude, the heat shield takes care of it a lot, and it's in a really good spot too. I'm so happy, bro. Like, yeah, I'm sure the stock intake is like way better, but I don't care, you know. I care about the noise. I care, and plus, dude, it's doing its job. Like I can see the temperatures right now. It's doing great, bro. So at the end of the day, man, like it really does not matter. I just really want that noise. I try to get, there's a way to make the stock intake louder, but it won't be much louder. Like it just won't. And I'm pretty sure it being carbon fiber helps with just the echo. I'm pretty sure. Like, I mean, it just it has to do something, you know what I mean? Like I'm sure it's making it somewhat louder compared to plastic, you know? I could be wrong, but I just feel like, you know, not only is carbon fiber more like heat resistant, but it's like, you know, if you yell, it's like a tube, bro. You know what I mean? The plastic is just like, dude, it's whack. It's got all the ridges inside too. Like, who knows, dude? It's muffling the sound like crazy, man. This thing's just straight through. It's pretty much like a straight pipe intake if you look at it in that way. But like I said, man, I hope you guys enjoying the vid. I hope you guys enjoying these type of POVs. I'm just like having fun with the car, man. It's been a journey. You know, this car is obviously a price. Luckily, since I am using it for the business, I can write it off. But other than that, dude, like having any car won't be worth it. That's why I always start a business, man. Find something. Find a way you can start a business and have a car like this, you know? Because, dude, it's hella worth it. It's hella worth it. If you do it without a business, it's not worth it, man. Because you're gonna waste a lot of money. Like, the good thing about buying all the tires, all the brakes I don't have to buy, I'm gonna be able to write off all the tax. Like, think about that, right? If I spend $1 grand on brakes, let's say for example, just to make the math easier, I'm gonna get back like around $300 to $350. Like, think about that. That's a lot of money. So pretty much every $1,000 I spend, I get back $300. That's pretty much a 35% cash back. Pretty much, but it's because it's an investment. It's what makes money. Pretty much almost at the dealership, so I'm gonna get going. The only thing that sucks too is I couldn't even set an appointment, bro. So I had to I just do a walk-in, which is fine. But like I was talking to them, dude. They're like weeks out on appointments, so whatever, man. Thank you guys for, like I said, man. Thanks for all the support you guys have been blowing me up. You guys been liking my vids. You guys been commenting amazing things. Like I appreciate all of that, man. Like you don't understand. It's so awesome. Like I appreciate all the things you guys said, and like I said, man, if you work hard, you'll be able to get whatever you want. But there's been such a dry season in my life. Like right now, people just see the blessing. But dude, it was my family and I were broke as a joke. Like I didn't even know where I was gonna go at one time in my life. My dad barely had enough money to even buy me a freaking anything, bro. I had to work for everything. And I'm not talking about work like in the house. I'm talking about like actually go work. So dude, like, you know, look at this blessing as like, okay, if you work hard and you don't let your emotions, like you don't let emotions control you, you'll make it, dude. You just can't be emotional, because when you're emotional, you'll start making dumb mistakes. And you gotta have a plan. And emotions are gonna be there, so be ready to, you know, feel depressed, feel anxiety, feel anxious, because that's part of the growth, man. That's part of growth. Let's go over at the dealer, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Look at this freaking beast. Time to oil change.
morning there. This is your certified technician here at AutoNation Dodge, just doing a quick inspection on your vehicle part. Let me show you a couple things here. First thing first are your filters. Engine and cabin filter are excellent, so no need to worry about filters. Filters are great. I also verified your fluids for your coolant, power steering, and brake fluid are in the correct clear zone. I did top off your washer fluid for you. Perfect. Battery is in excellent condition, so no need to worry about battery. Tires are a solid green. Solid green meaning there's lots of tread life on them and safe to drive with.
Fire, bro. So you got the oil change done. Alright, we are now done with the dealership. We got our oil, we got our freaking car back. We are now done with our oil change. I'm gonna do a little pull for these guys since they changed up my oil. Over here though. Gotta put it in sport mode though, or not track. What the fudge? It's freaking wines, dude. Time to do a quick little U-turn for these guys. These guys were professional, bro. They made a whole video on my oil change. Hopefully they can hear it, bro. Dude, I got a new intake. I'm trying to flex, bro, because it sounds so good. But anyways, oil change is done. These guys did an amazing job. I'm gonna insert the video, but I asked them to send me a video of the oil, how it looks like, because I wanted to see. Oh man, dude. I'm barely pushing it and it's so loud. Like, I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, it doesn't sound the same on the phone. It doesn't. Like, you have to, it's something and like, bro, I don't know how to explain it. It just sounds so different. What? Wow, it's so beautiful now. I just love how the guy like showed me everything. He showed me the filters, he showed me the oil, then he like put a flashlight in the oil. Like, I love that. These guys really took care of me. And then I like saw some deals online where I just can't believe how like little RPMs I have to push it to make it whine. Wow. But pretty much they made a video of everything and that was awesome. And then there's some packages for like 8 oil changes, bro. There's a package for like 8 oil changes and it costs like, if you get the package for 8, you only pay like 90 bucks per change. I'm like, dude, that's sick, because to be honest with you, I'm trying to take care of this car. Like, dude, I'm trying to make as many oil changes as possible, if anything, you know? So these guys have good deals, and there's good deals on tires. Like right now there's a 3 for 1. So you buy 3 tires, get one for $1. I don't know what's like the $1 for, but it's, dude, it's awesome. Like, I can go through tires and still get a deal. Like, that's, to be honest with you, that's all I care about, man. Snap, Corvette. Sheesh, dude. I still gotta make a whole separate POV just of the intake. Like, drive like an automatic mode, see how it drives. Yeah, the manual mode is way more fun. Automatic's good for like when you're on the freeway or something. But man, like I said, like I keep saying this over and over again, but man, I can't thank you guys enough. I just posted literally a video today. It's 4 hours ago now, but it was of the intake, and dude, in 3 hours we hit 1K freaking views. Dude, I used to dream about hitting 1K views in a day, and we're hitting that freaking in hours. Like, bro, like, you don't understand. It's all glory to God, man. But I'm really excited because I have a wheel just came in, so I think I'm gonna install it tomorrow, because man, today I have like no sleep. Yeah. There's like a whole problem over here, dude. I'm trying, oh, GC3, oh my gosh, GC3 RS. I'm doing a U-turn, bro. I'm doing a freaking U-turn. Or like some, like obviously, and what is happening right now? Why is everyone going so slow? Like index funds. I can make it. Let's go. Wow. Sheesh, bro. I didn't even try to come off the pedal like that. My whole body just started moving and I couldn't just start hopping up. Dude, where's the Porsche guy? I really hope I can find this guy. I hope you guys enjoyed this little oil change video. You know, I'm just kind of like trying to involve every little thing with this car. So what else you guys want to see me do to this car, let me know. I did a filter, I did an intake, so now I'm gonna do a wheel next, and then next is exhaust. If you guys enjoy the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.